Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 10 smart ways to make money. And since I am in Germany, this video is mostly focused on German system. So let's get started. Before I continue, I want to thank all of you for your comments. Please do comment in my videos, guys. I really read them and try to reply at that point only. And thank you, Govinji and MJ Shahiji and Amjad Amir Khanji for your comments and appreciation. I love to read them, and thank you very much, my dear subscribers, for showing your love in the form of subscriptions and views and likes. And now let's continue, and do watch this video until the end. We all use social media nowadays, and I suggest that you should use your contacts and social media very wisely. For example, you can use YouTube to create some content, video content, and upload it on your YouTube channel. Also, you can use Facebook and to connect with your friends and families, and also you can join various groups in which you can meet similar people and find your niche. Also, you can use Instagram to create Instagram stories and upload your pictures, and they also have a big community. You can use WhatsApp, which is very commonly used by us Indians here, and WhatsApp groups are also a very nice mean to meet with similar peoples. And I am connected with so many people through WhatsApp. You can also use this new platform which is called Telegram, and they don't have any number of limit for a particular group, member groups. So that's why Telegram is a very good thing for those who are looking forward their future in YouTube or in Instagram, and those who want to connect with millions of people. And then you can use Twitter also, and we all know, friends, how Twitter works. You can tweet small sentences and tag them with hashtags, and then according to the current trends, you can be discovered. So ninth way is turn your hobby into profession. So what you can do is create a product and that you like. For example, if you are interested in fitness and diet and event management, or if you have some product, you can sell them, and you can either write a blog or create a vlogs, and in general you can either offer your services or information to people, and this is how you can turn your hobby into profession. Tip number 8 is pension plans and saving schemes. So what happens is that normally we are so busy in earning breads and butter for every day, we don't think about our future at all, and that's why there is hardly anybody who invests in their future. So I would suggest that okay, today your day-to-day life is another thing. Stop living check to check, and do some saving and invest it in pension plans and saving schemes. And basically you can create either a saving account, but it offers very less interest. You can get a pension fund which is called Kapitallebensversicherung or Rentenversicherung, and if you are in Germany and interested in such schemes, you can contact me in my email ID, and also in my social media. It's all over here. Then it is highly advisable that you should not take bigger risks. So I'm not saying that you should not do bigger investment, but the basic rule of investment is don't put all your eggs in one basket. And so what you should do is that when you are going to do risky things like investing in funds and shares, you should have somebody who backs you up. So now it's your task. Go and read and search, Google what is Munich Re, and then we can talk about it later. So now we are at sixth tip. So sixth way to making money is affiliate and online marketing. So usually affiliate marketing exists for individual companies, but and Amazon also offer a common affiliate program, and you should search about it. And also eBay offers you a very easy way to do online marketing and sell things. So, if you are in Germany, you might be knowing that you get some income tax refunds, and I have seen many people who don't even bother to file for income tax refunds. So, if you file your income tax refund either by yourself using the electronic Steuererklärung platform, which is called Elster, or by using a chartered accountant, or the person which is called in German Lohnsteuerberater, and then you can file your income tax refunds, and you can get a couple of thousands of euro in your income tax refund. Then fourth way is to apply timely for your benefits. So benefits are the facilities that is provided by the government to everybody, especially in case of new parents. You are going to get child benefit, which is called kindergeld, and you can get parenting benefit, which is called Elterngeld, and in some states like Bavaria or Bayern, you are going to get family geld and betreuung geld, and you can search about it, Erziehungsgeld. There are so many things, and but unfortunately in some cases there is a limit until when you can apply. So basically in that case, you are going to, if you are going to lose time, you are going to lose money. So third tip is invest in real estate. So nowadays there is one thing that most of the people that doesn't know is that German government provides Kinderbausspargeld or Baukindergeld, and so for the family who is having the income of 90,000 euro per kid, you are going to get 12,000 euro in 10 years. So it's a good thing to know, and you can apply for Baukindergeld. And also nowadays the interest rate in bank loans for buying property is very low. So this Zinsenrate is here low, is very low, and that's why instead of renting, you should invest in real estate and buy some property for yourself. Now I always talk about budgeting and couponing, and this is what I do like crazy. I have app of almost all the grocery stores or cosmetics stores I use. I have cards for them, and whenever I get points and some good offers, I buy the things that I need, and that's why these three things like budgeting and couponing and good inventory management will help you a lot to save money and yeah, make money. Now 2 months ago I joined my first network marketing venture, and this is something I think everybody should do. And in the same time I read a book which is called Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the author talks about the that network, how network marketing helps in developing your personality and overall things. People usually take it very negatively because they think that multi-level marketing is a scam. When there is no product, then it is particularly a scam. When you are going to get money by recruiting other people, then it is a scam. But if you have a product which you trust and you are going to use regularly, then it is not a scam. So it's just a branch of marketing from a big company. So for example, in my case, I'm an ergo professional and I trust and use the ergo products, and it's my pleasure to recommend them to others. So if you are interested to discuss all this in details, if you have any doubt about the tips that I gave you, and if you want that I make more videos like this in future, then please be in touch with me, and like my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and yes, then we will meet again. Bye bye.